Lighting a fireplace. First thing you do is push in and turn it till it lines up with pilot. Hold the pilot button and then you start pushing the igniter until you see the pilot light lit. You hold the pilot light in for 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds passes by, you release slowly. The pilot light should stay lit. If it does not stay lit, it's a simple process of pushing and holding again. Keep pushing until it lights. Once it lights, you hold for 30 more seconds. Release the pilot button, it'll stay lit. Once you get it to light, you make sure the wall switch is turned off or any switch is turned off. This one's a push button, so you don't need to worry with it. Push in just a little bit and turn it to the on position. Pilot light's still lit. If you have a wall switch, that's where you'll get up and turn on the wall switch and wait for it to light. This one's a push button. You push the button and it'll light right up. Some of them will slide to the on position. It's the same way. You turn it to the on position, it'll light. And that's as easy as it is to light a fireplace.